Welcome to PC Error Detective. Today, we'll walk you through how to turn off audio enhancements on Windows. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Step 1. Start by typing Control Panel in the search box on the taskbar and select it from the results. Step 2. Navigate to Sound Settings. In Control Panel, choose Hardware and Sound. Then click on Sound. Step 3. Access Playback Devices. On the Playback tab, locate your default device. Then right-click on it and select Properties. Step 4. Disable Spatial Sound. In the Properties window, click on the Spatial Sound tab. Step 5. Turn off Spatial Sound. Select Off from the drop-down menu under Spatial Sound Format. Then click OK to apply the changes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. We hope this guide helped you turn off audio enhancements on your Windows system. Stay tuned for more videos.